be able to transfer your USDT from your SafePal to your Binance account. So first of all, just open your SafePal account, and in the home screen, just scroll down and select USDT from the list given below in the coins section. And here in the USDT section, you will see these three options like swap, receive and send. So you just simply have to click on send. And after that, in the paste section, you have to enter your Binance wallet code in order to transfer USDT between SafePal and Binance. So in order to copy the Binance code, just open your Binance account, and after that just make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, just click on the portfolio icon from the bottom right corner, and there you will see your USDT deposit code. And once you copy the code, just come back to your SafePal account, and here under the USDT section, just paste the link over here in the paste section. And after that, just select the amount to which you want to transfer the USDT for example $20. As you can see that it is saying that insufficient balance, because I don't have balance in my SafePal account as of now. So if you have the balance, just enter the amount, and once you are done entering all the details, just click on next. And this way you will be able to transfer from your SafePal to your Binance account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.